up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be working on this junky Ford Taurus because Bigfoot decided he wanted to see if he could go hunting with his car, and he took out a deer. If you look, we already removed the headlight. It's all busted, and then if you look at the hood, it dented it up. It's got a little bit of a bow in it. So we went to the junkyard today and got some cheap parts. So today I'm going to show you how to switch the hood and replace the headlight. So on these shocks, I got these little clips. I'm using it. Take you a little flathead screwdriver. See, just little clips, and then these just pop off.
Oh wow, it just got heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, here you got your side undone.
Yeah.
And then for the hinges, you got two 8mm bolts. There's one under here. And you want to hold it up so it don't slide into your windshield. Actually got wet and rusty, huh?
Must have did so, didn't it? Screw it down with a PB blaster. There's a plastic thing clip. Oh yeah,
We can do that after we put it on.
yeah.
Stay tuned for the restoration of this bad boy.
Yeah, definitely. It's been like 20 years. Time to get it on the road. So, this is what you get at the junkyard. Look at that. Pretty and new. Same color. We ain't got to paint it. Alright, got the bolts started, got the shocks holding it up.
This one is. I ain't get to flip that yet.
Yeah, this one. You just want to try the air marks first?
Yeah, we just tightened it up there. There's not any adjustment on it.
Some.
Big nugget in the way.
Huh?
Is your big nugget in the way?
that don't slide.
No, there's no give. Weird bolts is weird bolts.
So guys, I was trying to go with the original marks that are on the hood. I mean, it might not be right with these hinges, but it's a good starting point to get the alignment right. So you see like the line where the paint, where the old mark was. But right now we're just barely tightening the bolts, and then we'll try it and see what needs adjusted. So guys, we discovered it's easier to put the clip on first, and then we'll just pop it on like that, and then it locks. But just so you know, it's really hard to put the clip on.
No, I don't have a clip. It's laying right there.
Probably have a tool to do this, but we just don't have the tools, so
Ow.
you gotta work it on there. Just pop it on. There you go. That one seemed like it latched a little better than that side. Alright, I want to try it, see how our alignment looks. Bigger at the bottom, you know, it gets skinny and then tall, or wide, I mean.
Well, it's going to come up a little bit probably.
This side needs to go back some.
So you'll probably just need to go back.
Color match is perfect.
This might be come down, so that'll fix that gap on that side.
This right here is better. Straighten it out right there.
There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Down. Way down. Alright, sorry about the wind, guys. But our hood was sitting super low, so we had to, if you look, there's 2 bolts on each side of the latch. You loosen those and then you can bring it up or down, you know, so it'll latch a little higher or lower. What it was though, if you looked at the sides, it's sitting really low below the fender. So we're trying to get it lifted up some and make sure all the alignments are looking good. Alright guys, so we got it on. We got it decently lined up. Bigfoot said he's happy with it, so I'm not going to argue with him. I mean, we can sit here and tweak all day, but we're not going to. So now that we got the hood on, latching, everything's hooked up, the washers and the shocks, everything's all good. So now we're going to put in the new headlight. So here we go. Alright, so since he already had the headlight removed, I'm going to show you just how to install it, which is common sense on how to remove it. So obviously you have one harness and it's all in the same, and then you have one bolt on the side and it's a 8mm, and then on the back where these little holes are you have these little metal clips which look like this, and they just slide down in there and lock it in place. So once you wiggle with her and get her in, then you take these and they just slide in, and then I gotta get the other one, and then your 8mm bolt. No adjustment to it or anything. Oh well, we do have some adjustment. Surprisingly, this shiny, pretty new one came from the junkyard. And then you look at this other side. Definitely gonna have to polish that light. Now, one last thing, shut the hood, see if it hits and if it lines up.
Breaks
It all breaking the line.
Uh-oh.
Pretty close right there, but I think we're good. There you have it. So, if y'all like this video, smash that like button, which I know you did, so smash it. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!